Oh well. We're gonna roll with it. Remember, it's not how it looks, it's
How it's labeled.
how it's labeled.
Just don't listen.
Yeah. That wasn't how it's supposed to look at all. That's funny. Z,
Now, how you see my drawing?
X, U, Y, W, V, T. And this one's 15. And this one's 21. And this is 34. And this is 19. And Z is the circumcenter of triangle TUV. And they want me to find TU, VY, UZ, WV, and TV.
Bless you. Thank you.
Okay, so starting off, I'm gonna look for TU. So TU is this whole segment right here. How can I find TU? Oh wait, let's start out by doing this. They said Z is the circumcenter, so let me mark all the things that I know if Z is the circumcenter. I know that this side is bisected there and has a perpendicular bisector, right? What about this one? Perpendicular and bisected. And what about this one? Perpendicular and bisected. What else do I know is congruent here? Not the perpendicular bisectors. The what? The lines that go where? To the vertices. So those aren't the perpendicular bisectors. All right, these three are not congruent, right? Does everybody understand that? Okay. All right, so now looking at it, if I know that this one's 19, how can I find TU?
19 times 2.
19 times 2, which is 38. Okay. Now I'm looking for VY right down here in this corner.
34 divided by 2.
I'm going to do 34 divided by 2, and I get... All right, somebody different. Tell me about UZ right here in the middle. It's going to be the same as who? VZ. So VZ's 21, so UZ's 21. Okay. Now I'm looking at WV. Right here in this piece. How might I find WV? I'm gonna have to use Pythagorean theorem. I'm gonna take this little triangle right here and I'm gonna cut it out over here. I've got, this is my triangle. I don't know this. This is 15 and this is 21. Does everybody agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So just a real quick label here. I've got my A, my B, and my C. So I'm using Pythagorean theorem. So I have x squared plus 15 squared equal to 21 squared. So 15 squared is 225. 21 squared is 441. I'm going to subtract 225 from both sides. And I get x squared equal to 216. Now I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And I get x equal to 6 square roots of 6. Does everybody agree? All right. Now the next thing it wants, though, is TV, the whole thing. So how can I find the whole thing now that I have the part?
Multiply it.
By 2. So 2 times 6 is 12 square roots of 6. Questions? None? We good? Okay. Let's see what you can come up with here then. Last one.
So do you get another napkin when you run out of paper?
If you need to, yeah. All right, H is the circumcenter. And we're looking for GD, BC, EH, FD, and CD. All right, those are the ones you're trying.